Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring accurately. 1 packet or 1/2 cup oats, then 1/2 to 3/4 cup liquid. Do this because oats absorb different amounts. Thicker texture needs less water. Once done, stir in 1/8 teaspoons salt plus any sweetener or spice so flavors distribute. Make sure to use a microwave-safe bowl or a small saucepan. That prevents overflow and uneven cooking. This quick prep sets the stage for consistent texture and flavor in every cup you make. You'll now cook the oats while paying attention. If microwaving, run 1 to 1. 5 minutes and stir at the halfway mark to stop boil over. This helps even heat and texture. If using a stovetop, simmer on medium-low for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring every minute so the oats release starch gradually and don't clump. Once you see the desired creaminess, remove from heat. If it's too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons liquid and stir for another 30. You finish by letting the oatmeal rest for 1 to 2 minutes so it thickens and flavors meld. This also cools it to a safe eating temperature. Then add toppings like fruit, nuts, or an extra splash of milk for creaminess. If your oats are too thin, simmer 1 more minute. If too thick, stir in a tablespoon of liquid. If you detect a burnt flavor, remove and discard the bottom portion, and make sure to stir more frequently on future batches to avoid scorching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.